Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands, and today I'm at the allotment and it's that time of year again, and it is to harvest my onions. And before I get into this video, I just want to say thank yous for those who have subscribed to my channel and those who have always been here. I want to say thank you guys. I really appreciate everybody's comment and I appreciate everybody's likes. And by the way, about those likes, keep hitting them because it does help my channel to grow and reach new heights, which I'm looking forward to see. Let's go harvest. I know it looks a bit bushy. I know it looks a bit mad, but this is one of my onion beds. This is the dig bed that I used to put my onions in. It's a little bit bushy, but don't you worry, there's onions in it. Let me just quickly pull out one. And before I go, if you are growing onions and you see your onions, let's pull a bit of weed back, the necks of the onions already bent over, they're pretty much ready to go. All you have to do is just pluck them out and look at that beauty. Isn't that beautiful? So let me crack on with this and I'll quickly show you what yield or what I can get from this. And as always, the dog is here with me. Obviously not my dog, it's the person that lives close to where I am. And this is the box that I'm gonna have it in. I'm gonna pop them in there and I'm gonna explain to you what I'm gonna be doing to them next after I have harvested them. Remind people that I planted some red ones and I planted some yellow type of variety. I did plant two varieties this year. Some are quite big, as humongous as they can be, and there's some that could do with a little bit of work, but that's okay. I can still use these onions and create a beautiful meal with. It's just amazing. Have a look at that, guys. So far, so good. I've chucked them on the cardboard there, just to kind of leave them there, and let's get the other ones out. But I'm going to still try to go through this and gather every single bit that I can and show you guys at the end what I get from this garden bed that I created here. This is what I got, guys. Look at it. It's looking very good. These are amazing. Look at the size of some of them. They're quite amazing. But I have something to show you guys. This is the dig bed. Pretty good. I think I did a really good job. Got a lot of amazing sizes. Some of them are quite huge. Some of them are, well, actually, some of them were weirdly strange because I planted one and it kind of gave me two. So I could just break that one off and it become two onions. So that was amazing. Some of them are small, but I think that's still a very good harvest for a year. Pretty good. But I'm not finished yet. I've got to take on my Nodig bed over here, and you're gonna see the massive difference between what I'm gonna pull out. Actually, before I even start to go over there, let me just pull one out. this Nodig bed, I treated it the same way how I did the dig bed. No difference at all. Same sort of things were put in them. They were no different. But let me just grab one. Let's grab one, the closest one here. Ta-da. This onion here is the biggest from the dig bed. This isn't the biggest from the no dig bed. I want you to see, you guys, just look at the comparison. Look at the size difference. It's definitely a massive difference. And there's bigger ones than this in there. So let's get all of these out and show you the difference. I've placed the dig ones literally by the side there. I'm gonna find along a bit more and place the no dig ones there, and you guys get to see all the difference in one shot. It's just amazing. Let me grab these boys out of here and let me show you the massive difference. And I really love the idea of not tilling your soil. And look at the size of these onions. And I didn't treat them any other different. I treat them the same way. Same time that I put anything on this, I put the same thing on that one as well. So yeah, let's show you guys. Let me just grab these bad boys out of here. So this is the no dig bed one. These are the ones that I pulled out. I'm gonna just give you guys a little rummage and show you the size of them quickly. I'm just gonna pull them apart and you're gonna see some ginormous. This is the size of my hand and this is the size of a onion. It's just amazing. It's just humongous. Look, amazing. And you just, if I just lift this bunch up, you guys can all see, look how big these eyes are. They are just humongous. Size of my hand again. Look at this. Look at this one here. It's just humongous. So really and truly, the Nodig bed is producing absolutely amazing and massive onions. Look at this comparison to that, which is the dig bed. I would say I'm going to be sticking to planting onions in the Nodig bed. And that's not it. There's still some more I need to pull out of here. I've got some more onions at the back here. I'm going to root them out now and clear that way and get something in there later on in the week. Let me get the rest of these guys out. And I still have a few more. Guys, I planted onions literally in a little bit of everything. So I'm going to finish this one here. I'm going to grab those and I'm going to grab every other onions that I have and then show you the full load of what I have in abundance of onion. The onions did really well for me this year, especially the no dig. So let me go and do that right now and come back and show you guys what I am harvesting, or the amount that I'm harvesting. Let's fix my words. The amount that I'm harvesting this year. It's looking good. Let me go and get them all together. Hey guys, that's it. This is literally it. That's all that I have here. This is the ones with the dynamite onions in there. Look at this size. These are very good. This is a very good year for a harvest of onions. These are the biggest ones that I've ever had. And this is some other ones over here. These are the no dig as well. And as you can see, there's the flies are still following the nectar as well as the bees. They're still trying to follow. And this is a blossom of a onion. But I just broke it off because I won't have no use for it. Some people can use it in their garden, or they garnish in food, or they can just cut it up and put it in their food. Or I could have left this. And that is it, guys. This is your boy, Mr. Green Hands, and thank you so much for joining me on another adventure or another harvest, as I say. This is 2022, and this is my onion harvest, and I hope you guys loved it. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and help to share me out if you can. Please look after yourself, and don't forget to look after the planet. We just have to. We just have to.